And the reason why, it's because normally companies go through different phases in their life. Okay. Some companies from the idea stage start off simply as a product, as an idea. Then it goes on and to sell the product, and then eventually that product gains market share and starts to ramp up in terms of scale. Okay. And then when that company is able to build that product and able to scale it, then obviously that business model, after gaining that market share, now it's more about how do you continuously make profit now from whatever you're able to build. And then obviously the last part is about the harvesting stage where growth has slowed down, but obviously margins have picked up and the business is a profitable business. And they basically just continue what they are able to achieve for the last few years. Okay. And then the end game is obviously a big challenge for a lot of companies. It's because they often go through this identity, what we call identity crisis. Okay. Now, when you're big, there's the ability to grow is always a question. And that inability for some companies to grow. So for example, like GE, they've grown for the last 120 years. Now, the last 3 years, now they're going through an identity crisis. The crisis is what's next. Okay. So normally when you're going through that end game, normally it becomes more difficult for price action to move also. Okay. So this stage here of what we normally go from the idea all the way to the late latter parts of the business model, usually we characterize that as growth. And if you're trading, honestly, we normally tell people to just focus on those growth.